Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to change default font in Outlook. So firstly open Outlook and sign in. Then click on File. In here click on Options. Now click on Mail. In here click on Stationery and Fonts. Here you will find all options. New mail messages, click on Font. Now select your font style, size. Default font, select your desired font and complex script, color, font color, underline style. So all these things you can set as a default in your Outlook. In advance, there are some more options you can use one by one and as your requirement. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. And like this now you can change default font in Outlook. Very simple. Firstly File, then Options, Mail, Stationery and Fonts. In here click on and change new mail messages, replying or forwarding messages, reply and forward messages. You can set and select as your choice. That's it. So like this friends, you can change default font in Outlook. Thanks for watching.